Hello everyone, welcome to the FinLearn Academy and MTED software. So in the series of week gone by, we will see how week was for the Nifty and key levels for a coming week. So in this week, Nifty has opened on a positive note just for the one day, and remaining trading sessions we have seen on the lower side. So Nifty on week basis, it has got a poorer by near about more than 1%. If you look at the other sectors as well, so Nifty was on this note. And secondly, this week we can say that the week of PSU banks and public sector enterprises and energy stocks. Means PSU banks, in spite of declining momentum in the latter part of the week, it has gained near about the 11%. Public sector enterprises gained by the 6%. Energy sector is also up by 5%. However, many PSU enterprises are a part of the energy sector, so it has also shown a certain kind of positive momentum. On the lower side, IT stocks, FMCG stocks, and pharma stocks continue to underperform, and from past couple of weeks they are underperforming the market constantly. New additions, we can say that the Nifty auto stocks, where we have seen the significant selling pressure in this week. From a strategic index perspective, we can see that there is no good momentum into the mid cap and small cap. So good amount of the stock specific momentum is happening in a mid cap and a small cap. They were up near about the 1%, whereas the Nifty was a down performance. So we can say that the outperformance by these particular two sectors by the 2%. So this is where we are finding some momentum. Now coming to the Nifty chart, this week we have seen the one candle formation. So let's say by combining these two candle pattern, it forms a bearish reversal pattern. From nomenclature perspective, it is in a bearish engulfing pattern, as the red color is engulfing the green candle entirely. It is in a bearish reversal pattern, but it is happening on the top, so it gets in a little bit less relevance. But as it is happening on the higher time frame, so there is a little bit of more importance attached to it. Means let's say some kind of formation is happening on the daily chart, then it will be not that much of the use. But as the two candles are formed on the weekly chart, so collectively it has taken the 10 days to form a bearish reversal pattern. So yes, based as it is in a higher time frame, so it will have some kind of weightages. Secondly, the bearish engulfing pattern and a Nifty chart has a good connection. Means let's say this time it has found the bearish engulfing pattern. If we look at the prior tops also, so if we go back into the history and if we see the major tops also, so over there also we will find the bearish engulfing pattern happening at the top, and from that we have seen the declining momentum. Again the bearish engulfing pattern has formed over there, and we have seen the declining momentum over there. So bearish engulfing pattern and higher time from the Nifty has a good relevance. From that we see a certain kind of the reactions over there. Secondly, on the daily chart, the prices has moved below the immediate base. Means index has formed the base at a 15,000 level, and this week we have seen the prices are moving below its base level. So it is creating some sorts of negativity. So in coming week there are chances that we see a certain kind of the negative momentum. And on the lower side, if we have to find the next best potential support levels, so previous resistance levels can act as a support level as per the role reversal concept. Means let's say if I'm converting this chart under the line chart, so here I will get a little bit more idea from the closing perspective. So for 14,600 to 14,700 can be the key support levels. Now if we are making a certain kind of negative view, then we need to understand that up to what level we remain a negative. Up to what point, if the prices are moving above, then we can call it that means a negative momentum is over. So for the purpose, let's have a look on the intraday charts. So normally we look at a 90-minute chart. So at a 90-minute chart, if I put my chart under the line, so this is what the change in color has happened. And if I try to find the relevance of this change in color or from this point, we can see that means there are some reference point has happened in the past. So 15,100 becomes an immediate level. So as far as on a shorter term time perspective, the prices are below the 15,100 level, we can say that they are under the selling pressure. So in a nutshell, we can say that means index has formed a bearish reversal sign, so which is a negative implications. On the daily chart, it has broken the support level, so view remains a negative, let's say up to the 14,600 to 14,700 level, and on the higher side it will remain a negative as far as the prices are sustaining below the 15,100 level. whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.